Hi, this is Scott Lanson, and I'm starting to do the shed building here on this gravel bed that I installed here over the years. And what I'm doing is I'm just now hauling in the cinder block and the pavers. And then what I'm going to do, as you see over here, I have rebar all staked out in the gravel bed. Those are the points of where the shed is actually going to sit. There are also indicators where I will dig down into the ground, put a lot of cement, liquid cement, down into the base of a hole, yay deep. And then I will stack cinder block into the concrete to become the footing foundation for the base of the shed. So, you know, we always have good ideas. You never know what's going to happen, but it should go pretty way that I'm expecting it to go.